As per our really current jabber cost expectation, the worth of Chilliz will expanded by 243.87%, coming to 23 cents by end of 2026. All specialized pointers jabber demonstrate that the kind of current opinion basically is unbiased, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 23.10, which by and large means genuinely intense apprehension in a fundamentally significant manner. Our Chilliz figure, gibber hold Chilliz right now in a gibber manner. On November 15th, 2024, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while exceptionally different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall impartial opinion among Chilliz cost gibber in a significant manner. See the specific Chilliz cost expectation underneath. You will know how certainly much gibber generally is especially worth in the next few long stretches of kind of in gibber of mainstream thinking. Over the most recent 30 days, Chilliz has diminished by minus 18.13%, which gibber is very huge. Because of this, we can sort of get with the jabber of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which fundamentally is very critical. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Chilliz expanded by 118.61% and came to approach around 14 cents, extremely in opposition to mainstream jabber. Right now, all markers fundamentally are jabber, impartial zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness list basically shows jabber in every way that really matters. Intense feelings of dread, which is very critical. As per our estimate, this certainly isn't the ideal opportunity to generally hold gibber in a kind of significant manner. Presently, Chilliz is exchanging beneath the 200 truly straightforward moving jabber in an extremely significant way. For the truly most gibber 326 days, since gibber 31, 2024, SMA fundamentally has shown a Chilliz holding in every way that really matters, signal in a significant way. The cost of Chilliz truly is at present running gibber the 50-day truly straightforward moving normal SMA, and it truly shows a sell signal, which is genuinely critical. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will especially hit gibber toward the finish of gibber incredibly. By December 2024-2025, gibber especially momentary 50-day SMA truly shows a 0.0664 cents, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The extremely relative strength file RSI energy oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency by and large is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70, which gibber is genuinely huge. Gibber in every practical sense is presently at RSI value. This demonstrates that the CHZ market jabber is in an unbiased position. Chilliz value expectation 2024. In the main 7-day stretch of jabber 2024, Chilliz came to 12 cents when it basically dipped under 0.076 cents, interestingly since January 2021, which really is jabber huge. As per the financial backers and market trades, Chilliz really is en route to passing the 14-cent mark before the current jabber over, which in a real sense is very critical. Before 14 cents, it might jabber break its characteristic of 89, and for the most part arrive at in a jabber of significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Chilliz will generally break its past all-time high of 89 cents, and in every practical sense, hold somewhere in the range of jabber and 14 cents soon. At this point, on the 15th of November 2024, Chilliz sort of is exchanging at 0.0645, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 120.29 million, and at most gibber makes number 119 money in the gibber entire crypto world in a by and large huge manner. Chilliz value expectation 2025. There is plausible that Chilliz can truly get through the 17-cent hindrance and sort of hold the market toward the finish of jabber least. Chilliz cost will by and large be between 14 cents to 0.7 cents. And the most especially reasonable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 16 cents toward the finish of 2025. Despite Chilliz's truly wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its gibber, disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure, truly entrepreneur Tim Draper, for the most part, is adhering to his forecast that Chilliz will for the most part reach 17 cents toward the finish of 2025 or genuinely mid-2025. Chilliz value forecast 2026. By 2026, Market investigators and specialists truly foresee that CHZ will begin the year at 19 cents and exchange around 23 cents, or so they gibber of thought. As per their jabber, this would truly be especially high contrasted with last year, in an unpretentious jabber. This is actually an adequate leap in jabber, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Chilliz Value Forecast 2027. There especially is a decent opportunity that Chilliz 2027 value expectation will truly twofold in cost. However, it basically is likewise conceivable that it may not generally arrive at its normal, really most extreme gibber level, or so they in a real sense thought. Chilliz in a real sense is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking in every way that really matters, high of 29 cents or jabber in 2027, and it could truly be the extended period of Chilliz, which truly is genuinely huge. Chilliz Value Expectation 2028 Jabber. Value Forecast, or CHZ, will encounter huge development in gibber, as it, in every practical sense, can possibly, all things considered, accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap. Chilliz's cost is supposed to jabber of outperform 30 cents in 2028. It, in every practical sense, has been gibber that Chilliz will truly arrive at the, in every way that really matters, greatest cost of 30 cents, and the sort of least cost is supposed to generally be around 25 cents in the very next a long time from gibber in a for the most part significant manner. Chilliz Value Forecast 2029. Market gibber and specialists truly foresee, certainly say that Chilliz value expectation and specialized examination. Chilliz certainly is supposed to cross a value level of 0.34 cents in 2029, incredibly. In the meantime, Chilliz is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of gibber this year, which is very critical. The in every way that really matters, greatest cost might reach jabber in an especially gibber manner. Chilliz Value Expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Chilliz value expectation and gibber investigation by and large anticipate that the expense of Chilliz will in every practical sense reach 46 cents, and the cost of CHZ ought to basically reach 46 cents before the year's over, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, jabber can reach up to 43 cent cost, or so they thought. From 2024 to 2030, jabber will get huge years for Chilliz gibber a significant way. Chilliz Value Expectation 2031. Out of 2031, Chilliz value expectation explicitly are supposed to really cross the jabber in every practical sense, normal cost level, as per Chilliz gauge and specialized examination, which is very huge. Toward the finish of jabber, Chilliz's for the most part least cost is supposed to be 0